Customers with the AEC collection can use a combination of AutoCAD and Revit-based deliverables with BIM 360 docs to deliver accurate documentation for all project members to access. In this workflow example, a designer has an existing library of AutoCAD details that they'd like to leverage on a project that requires Revit. Rather than recreating this extensive library of details from scratch, the designer simply inserts them into the Revit project. All new details can be created directly in Revit, using its extensive library of detail components. During the creation process in Revit, accurate placement of the detail components is done with various snapping tools that provide real-time feedback on dimensions. Components such as insulation and wall section views can be placed with precision. And as the detail is finalized, annotation and notes can be added to ensure accurate construction. The new details can be placed on the same sheet that contains the AutoCAD details. In addition to this, exploded 3D views can also be created and placed on the sheet to help reduce RFIs during the construction phase. As the final Revit model is published to BIM 360 docs, sheets and views are automatically extracted for the project team to review, annotate, and mark up.